Face my cane shades like I'm Bo Nose and D Nasty. It's game time and I'm Duke Johnson. I run the ball, you don't do nothing. Sound like a drum line when I touch down. Alumni all in the crowd, we two up, juiced up. Now everybody throwing them U's up.
There you up, look at what we do up. There you up, there you up. Look at what we do up. There you up, look at what we do up. We do up, do up. Look at what we do up. I got my game face on. They looking. I got my Caneshades on. They looking. I got my game face on. They looking. I got my Caneshades on.
I'm Darius Rice, future Hall of Famer, University of Miami Hurricanes, and I got my Caneshades on.
I'm Duke Johnson, all-time leader at University of Miami, and I got my Caneshades on.
This is Lawrence Cajun, number 18, and I got my Caneshades on.
My name is Cedric Wright, and I got my Caneshades on.
Jack Alphen, and I have my Caneshades on.
My name is Michael Payton, and I got my Caneshades on.
My name is Shaquille Quarterman, and I got my Caneshades on.
Greg Simmons, I got my Caneshades on.
I'm Kyler Burke, and I got my Caneshades on.
My name is Terrence Henley, and I have my Caneshades on.
I'm Mark Richards, I got my Caneshades on.
My name is Zach Moss, and I got my Caneshades on.
And flat out, man, I owe you guys more, because it's not about the masses. It's about the family that you got. It's about how you guys treat me, the family that treats me the way that I want to be treated.